How to settle an Auth Only transaction on Elavon. If you've processed an Auth Only transaction with Elavon, it means the funds were authorized, but not yet captured. To complete the sale, you need to settle or capture the transaction manually. Start by logging into your Elavon Converge portal or accessing your Elavon payment terminal. In the dashboard, go to the Transactions or History section. Find the specific Auth Only transaction you want to settle. Select the transaction and choose the option Capture, Settle, or Complete Sale. Enter the final transaction amount if it differs from the original authorization. Confirm the details carefully before submitting. Once submitted, the transaction will be captured and included in your next settlement batch. If you forget to settle it, the authorization may expire within 7 days, depending on the card type. Always double-check your daily batches to make sure no Auth Only payments are left open. And that's it. That's how you settle an Auth Only transaction using Elavon. Thanks for watching.